family, welcome in my YouTube channel Favicon Tech Lane. So guys, in this video we will talk about California motorcycle accident law. So let's get started into the video. Here you can see that mountains, the coast, the sunshine and the long straightways make California of the best places. Yes, California is the one of the best places to ride motorcycles or to visit the mountains. But unfortunately, as riders have experienced frightened other motorcycles are not always doing their best to look for people motorcycle that intention can lead to frightening collision जो कि होता ही रहता है. The motorcyclist can be victimized by insurance. Yes, ये वो क्या होता है, victimized हो जाता है. Insurance companies, agents and adjusters have been known to try to blame riders for accidents even when an accident report says otherwise. That's why if you are in an accident that was caused by a careless or reckless in California, you need the best legal representation on your side. Maritime Gaspian of Mason's law that has been supporting motorcycle accident victims in California for years. He is well aware of the tricks that insurance companies use to try devalue motorcycle accident claims. He will fight for you to receive so that you can focus on your recovery. Start your motorcycle accident claim with a free no obligation case analysis. Free consultations for motorcycle accident victims, and Mr. Gaspian spends years of working for major corporations and the oldest law firms in Los Angeles. In Los Angeles, he was founded his law to fight for everyday people to make sure they are treated fairly, their rights and respected after a serious accident. Contact Masons for an evaluation for this case. These consultations comes at no charge to you and you will be under no obligations and other things. I hope you find this as a very valuable content. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Favicon Tech Lane. Bye bye guys.